Sustainable eating is more than just a trend, it's an eco-conscious lifestyle shift. One impactful way to reduce our carbon footprint is by choosing plant-based meals, even once or twice a week. Studies show that reducing meat and dairy consumption significantly lowers greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, opting for locally grown produce cuts down transportation emissions and supports local farmers. Embracing seasonal eating not only ensures fresher food, but also minimizes the environmental cost of agricultural practices. Lastly, mindful portion sizes help reduce food waste. Leftovers can be transformed into new meals, honoring both our wallets and the planet.